Hey guys, this video is going to be super short, no BS, just hand launching of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and then I will show you how to hand land it as well. So what I do first, unfold the propellers, make sure the propellers can move freely, they're not stuck here. Also, I always check if I have memory card here. I turn on the remote controller. Okay, after I launch the app, all I have to do is turn on the drone. Just like this, we'll wait. Also, when you turn on the drone, make sure the camera and gimbal does not touch anything, any surface, because this way we'll have the gimbal problems. So just make sure the gimbal and camera can move freely. And now the most important part, make sure that you wait for the drone to lock on GPS satellites. It's very important because if you do not have enough GPS satellites, then the drone will wobble and be performing as it's drunk. So I will be waiting right now for the satellites connection.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
That's the next step. We make sure we have the home point updated in case we lose the connection. This happens as well. We will not be losing our drone. It will be coming back to this point. So you see I have 32 satellites and now we're ready for takeoff. Also, what I like to do before flying is that I try to dial in every single setting here for the video, so I will not be losing battery life. And also I cannot be changing the settings inside the drone while I'm hovering because the birds will attack it. I always have to be moving in case to avoid these angry birds here. Hold the drone like this. Make sure if you have wind that it will be blowing from your back forward. Also, when you do hand launch, always make sure the drone is facing the camera outwards, does not face you, because in this case you might mess up your direction sense here and you can fly your drone right in your face. This is also very important. So make sure it's facing outwards. Then there are different ways about how you hold your drone. You can hold like this, or you can hold it this way. It doesn't really matter. You just have to try it, and until you feel comfortable, then you'll find your way. Also, make sure there are no people here in the vicinity. Okay, and now all you have to do is just simply press the launch button like this, take off, make sure no people behind you. Okay, the propeller starts.
Take off. The home point has been
updated. Let the drone
Please
go.
check it
you
on
just
the map.
wait for it to take off from your hand. And once you finish flying, maybe your batteries run out, you also make sure no people around you before you do hand landing. And then you put your hand under the drone like this,
Landing.
and you see of the altitude going down. The drone will land safely right in your hand, just like this, and you'll be safe, and your drone is safe. You will not be getting into sand or grass. This is very important skill to master with your drone. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.